Welcome to this guided meditation for morning body scan. As dawn breaks and the world awakens, it's a special time to anchor ourselves and find some grounding. May you find a comfortable position where your body feels at ease. This could be sitting in your favorite chair, lying on a cozy mat, or even propped up by cushions. The idea is to find a space where you can feel both relaxed and alert. Take a moment to settle in. Feel the gentle support underneath you, the firmness of the floor, the cushioning of the chair, or the softness of your mat. It's as if the earth itself is holding you and supporting you. Let's begin with our breath. Take a deep, nourishing breath in, allowing the air to fill your lungs fully, and then release, slowly and steadily. As you breathe in and out, imagine each breath bringing peace into your body, any tension or tightness leaving as you exhale. Allow the calmness to wash over you like a gentle wave, smoothing out the shore after each retreat. With every breath, allow this calmness to seep deeper, nurturing every cell, every fiber of your being. As you continue to breathe here, I invite you to bring your attention to the crown of your head. Imagine a soft, warm light there. This light represents your awareness. Slowly guide this light down, noticing sensations on the forehead, behind the eyes, the bridge of your nose and your cheeks. There's no need to change anything, just breathing here. Travel further down to your neck and shoulders. Feel them soften and release any weight they've been carrying. Now bring that warm light to your chest, feeling the gentle rise and fall with each breath. Slowly let it drift downwards to your stomach, your hips, all the way to your toes. This is your first connection, a mini body scan, just to say a gentle hello to each part of your body. With each moment and each breath, know that you're setting the tone for your day, a day filled with awareness, presence, and a deep connection to yourself. As we transition into this deeper exploration, remember that your body holds memories, experiences, and sensations. Today we gift ourselves the time to truly listen to what it has to tell us. You can shift your awareness to your feet. These are the pillars that support you day in and day out. Feel into every toe, the arch of your foot, the heel. Maybe there's a subtle warmth or a slight coolness. Gradually move upwards, allowing your consciousness to travel to your ankles. These joints have a life of their own, carrying you forward every day. As your attention rises to your calves and shins, notice the textures, the gentle weight of the blankets, the brush of air, or maybe the comforting press of your own touch. Travel upward to the knees, the space between the thighs and the calves. Feel the muscles around them. Maybe there's a sense of openness or a gentle tension preparing you for the day's adventures. Bring the thighs and quads into focus. These strong muscles have stories of all the journeys you've embarked on. Send them gratitude as you scan, acknowledging the strength they provide. Moving to your pelvis and hips, the center of balance. Feel the gentle sway of life there. Your attention now ascends to your torso. Your abdomen, with a gentle rise and fall, speaks of the life force within. Feel into your chest, the sanctuary of your heart. Maybe there's a rhythm, a gentle thud, a beat that's uniquely yours. It's the sound of love, of life, of every emotion you've ever held. Continuing upwards, feel into your shoulders and down your arms, your hands, every finger, every palm line. Finally, guide your attention back up your arms, through your neck, and to your face, your eyes, your mouth, the expanse of your forehead. Allow this body scan to be a reminder that every part of you is significant, every part worthy of attention. By acknowledging and listening, you are building a bond, a deep connection between your mind and body, setting the stage for a harmonious day. As we begin to draw this meditation to its close, let's recognize the gift we've given ourselves. This sacred time, this special awareness across our body, is a reminder of our inherent worth and the importance of being present with ourselves. Take a deep, nurturing breath, pulling in the freshness of the morning. As you exhale, envision any remnants of tension or resistance floating away, leaving you lighter, more centered. Hold on to this feeling for a moment. The sensation of being completely loved and cherished by your own self. This connection you've cultivated is a reservoir of peace and strength, which you can draw from throughout the day. As you continue to breathe here, slowly start bringing movement back into your fingers and toes. A gentle wiggle, a soft stretch, honoring the work your body does every day. You might gradually broaden your movements, maybe circling your wrists or ankles, bending your knees, or rolling your shoulders. When you feel ready, I invite you to take a moment to set an intention for your day. Whether it's to carry forward this sense of awareness, maybe to be kind to yourself or others, or simply to embrace whatever comes your way with grace. This intention will be your guiding star. Lastly, maybe you place your hands over your heart. I invite you to express gratitude, thanking yourself for dedicating this time, for showing up, and for the continuous journey of self-awareness and self-love. When you feel ready, gently open your eyes, taking in the world around you with renewed clarity and perspective. Your environment, the colors, sounds, and textures might appear more vivid or alive. You are not just existing in the world. You are a significant, connected part of it. As you step forward into your day, may you remember this connection, this harmony, Let it be your anchor, your shield, and your guiding light.